Hi, my name's Annie, this is my lovely co-host Tony, and this is my channel, Annie's Ageless Beauty. And today I'm here to talk about Ipsy. Well, I've just lost my lovely co-host because I was pushing this around to try to make a thumbnail. Perfect. If you hear my fan, I'd like to apologize for that. It's summertime here in Missouri. It gets a little warm, even though it is nighttime right now. I still like to be comfortable. This is the second time I filmed this video because the first time, Filmora decided to crash on me. Let me see if it's actually filming. It's filming now, so hopefully I'll actually get this video. My lovely co-host is over by the door. She'll probably demand that my husband let her in or out. But yes, Filmora crashed on me, so I have to refilm this, which is, that's life. Life goes on. This is the Ipsy Glambag for June. It cost me $25 plus tax probably. I don't really remember. But first, before we get to that, I'd like to say welcome to my channel. If you like my video, please let me know by hitting the like button down below. If you'd like to see more of my videos, please subscribe and hit the bell icon down below so you get notifications whenever I upload something. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to hear from you. But if you post any links to any adult material, I'll be deleting that because this just isn't that kind of a channel, at least not yet. Well, since I've already done this video just a minute ago, I see I've still got the swatches from the palette I got. Okay, so I accidentally had a full dress rehearsal for this video. That'll make it extra good. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. This is obviously the Ipsy bag. This is the Ipsy mailer, which I opened already, as you can see. Opened. I did that the last time I filmed. This is the bag, which it's kind of cute, but frankly, if it doesn't have a zipper, I'm not here for it. I have no idea why I don't get zippered bags. I think I'd get so much use for that. I say that every month, and every month it's true. I'm just going to grab stuff at random. We have 5 things. I paid $25 for this bag. I'm going to rate each item on a yes or no. And the yes or no is, would I have paid $5 for it if I'm at the store? If I'm at the store and I saw this thing or any of these other things for $5, would I buy it? And then finally, at the end, after I talk about each item, I'm going to talk about if I saw all 5 items on the shelf at a store for $25, would I pick it up? So first thing I grabbed was this right here. This is the Best Face Forward Purifying Cleanser. And it's got finger limes, green tea, BHA, aloe vera, also all the usual stuff. It cleans your face. I have a couple of face cleansers right now, like 3 or 4 of them. So I'm not super excited to get this. If I was out of cleanser and I saw it on the store, yeah, I'd probably pick it up. So I'm going to give this a thumbs up. But I'm not real excited about face cleansers because, you do need to clean your face. So I guess it's good we get these things, but they just don't excite me. But it is something I need, so a thumbs up. Next thing I'm going to go ahead and grab is this Vitamin E Balm. That's it. It's just Vitamin E Balm. So this is a moisturizer. If I put it on my hand, this little drop, you can see that it's kind of translucent, like so. If I put it on and spread it in, it feels very thick and waxy. I don't particularly care for it. It doesn't feel like it's going into the skin easily. And it has a pretty pronounced peppermint smell to it too. As I rub it in, as it heats up, it is going in a little bit better. And my skin isn't feeling so greasy and just waxy. But it's not my favorite. Would I buy this if I saw it sitting on a shelf for $5? Probably not. So I'm going to give that a thumbs down. If you really like skincare, you probably like it. If you like peppermint stuff, if you love peppermint stuff, you'll probably like it. But it's just not doing it for me. Okay, so let me grab the next item, the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Face Mist. And remember, I opened everything because I lost some of my footage. I lost a video. Has a pretty aggressive sprayer. And it's a fine mist, but it comes out with some force. It smells like coconut. So if you like coconut, you probably love this stuff. I am neutral towards coconut. I don't hate it. I don't love it. I'll certainly use this. If I saw this sitting on the shelf with the $5 price tag and the Ciate London name on it, Everyday Vacay, I'd probably pick it up. So I'm going to give this a thumbs up. I kind of like that. This is the 111 Rose Gold Skin Radiance Booster, and it's a serum. It does have micro glitter on it. So If I put it on, you can see that it's got a metal dropper. I like that. It's a beautiful bottle. It's reflective rose gold. It's beautiful. The serum itself is thin and has micro glitter in it, but it doesn't really show up on the skin. It's not like a highlighter or anything like that. I mean, I'm sure it does have a presence once it dries down, but it's not, you put it on, it might make you a little more glowy, but it's not a highlighter. If I saw this sitting at the store for $5 and I didn't have so many serums just hanging around because of Ipsy and BoxyCharm, I'd probably get this. I was curious because I knew this is an expensive brand. This serum is $135. And if I saw it marked down, if I saw it in the store, $135, big red X, $5. I have a feeling I would just walk on by because I would think, you were really overreaching and your product wasn't worth that much to begin with, because obviously now it's down to $5. So what are you pulling here? I don't know. I just don't like products that are really, 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 really overpriced. And I think it's just in there to add value to the box. So the people who add everything up, like I used to do, say, wow, $135, I got a great deal. Well, it's just a made-up number, I think. I mean, they could put down $500, they could put $600, whatever, to make that box seem expensive. Is it that great of a serum? I don't know. I don't know if any serums are that great. Do they really do that much for your looks? Probably. Probably I'm just not sophisticated enough to know it. I'm going to give this a thumbs up, I guess. Just for $5, and I had no serum, I would buy it. But I think in most cases I would just say, I got lots of serums, thumbs down. So a conditional thumbs up. I don't know. It's a really pretty bottle. If you're looking for really pretty bottles to have on your vanity, you might want this one. If you really like serums, probably a good one. It just doesn't do that much for me. And our final item, it did come in a box, but I flung it aside when I did my first video. But maybe this was it. It comes in a little sleeve. This is Viseart Professional Makeup Paris, and this is what the palette looked like. The palette folds into thirds like this. It has a mirror, which it had a plastic thing over it. I pulled that off. Got fingerprints all over it. It's an 8-pan palette. These are all mattes, and then these are all shimmers. It looks like a pretty good color store to me. You've got this very light color to kind of set everything, a transition shade, and a couple of deeper shades to darken it up. And then you've got your shimmers down here. I'll go ahead and swatch, going in one time with each one. So the shimmers swatch really well. Hopefully this shows up pretty well. You can see the shimmers. I'm trying to put each shimmer shade above how it looks at the pan. Let's see, maybe I should pull out my glasses for this so that I can line them up. So here are the shimmers. I'm tilting my hand so you can see how it shows up. Some of them are really, really highly pigmented, like this one right here. That seemed to be really highly pigmented. This one right here. All of them, really. I think I could get a pretty good look out of these shimmers. I really like how they do look. So see, if I turn it this way, you can see how shiny they are. This way you can see the base pigment. So yeah, that's how the shimmers look. I'm going to go ahead and swatch the mattes on the other hand. You can take a look at those. This one right here, this peach flesh toned one, at least flesh toned for my flesh, doesn't really want to show up at all on me. And because they're mattes, I'm going in twice. This purple shade really is patchy. The mattes in general tend to look a little more patchy and not as pigmented. The purple, so this purple right here is right here. This brown is right here. This pink is right here. And this peach shade, you can't see it all, but it is there. I'll try to put it over it a little bit better. So yeah, the really pale shade isn't showing up very well at all. But other than that, everything looks okay. The darker shades are a little less pigmented and maybe a little patchy. Maybe when I put it on my eyes, it'll just blend really nicely. I don't know. Viseart is known to be very expensive, very good quality. So I'm certainly looking forward to try it. The color story talks to me. And I have a feeling it might be a pretty good quality palette for me. It's really, really small. And I looked it up. It costs $39 for this little tiny palette. And it might be a perfectly good palette. I'm trying to rub it off now because the swatches are bugging me. It might be a really good palette. I don't know. I haven't tried it yet. But for $39, I think it's kind of small. I mean, I can say, yeah, I own Art now. So, there's something. I'm going to put it back in the little container here. So these are the 5 items I got. Let me hold it so you can actually see everything. I'm holding it so you can see everything. This is everything that I got. If I saw this sitting on a shelf for $5, would I buy it? Maybe because of the Art name. Art is pretty good stuff. And also I do like the setting spray. So the setting spray and a Art palette, yeah, those 2 items, I'd probably buy it. These items are just kind of eh. Overall, I feel a little disappointed in it. I did forget to mention, we also got a card. And it's telling you to try different things. If you're into neutral, safer, or barely there nails, try glitter. If you're into muted tones, try neon. It's just saying be bold in your makeup choices. And I think that's terrible advice. If you don't want to try color, you don't have to put color on your face. If you like neutral, barely there looks or no makeup looks, you do you, boo. You don't have to do Ipsy's little bold makeup beauty challenge. Wear whatever you think makes you look like an ageless beauty or enhances your beauty, however you think is important. I don't know. Challenges can be good because they can get you to try new things. And I understand that's their purpose, I guess. Kind of get you to expand your horizons and maybe find a new way to wear makeup. But there's nothing wrong with wearing muted tones or no makeup looks or nude tones only or everyday looks only or bright hot orange pink every single day if that's what you like. Don't let Ipsy kind of tell you that you need to be bold. You don't have to be bold. You're beautiful being not bold if that's how you feel beautiful. All right. I'm a little aggravated. I'm a little worked up because I lost all my footage, which is not Ipsy's fault, and I know that. It's my fault. My lovely co-host left. I got my husband in the other video, and he's gone. Well, he's not gone, but I don't think I'll get him in here again. So that's it. That's my Ipsy Glambag for June. I kind of went through it a little quicker because I took a little more time and then lost all the footage, so that was on me. Hopefully I'll be putting up more videos soon, and hopefully I won't make that mistake again. I hope you liked my video. I hope you come back and watch more of them. Let me know if you think my Ipsy bag was disappointing this month or if you thought it was a pretty good bag and I have nothing to complain about. I don't know if I'm really complaining, but overall I'm just not blown away by it. I'm not going to cancel yet, but I have so many serums and face washes and eyeliners and really everything now that I think about it. No, I'm not going to cancel yet. Because I do like getting new stuff. And it's only 5 items a month. It's not like 30 or 40. It's not overwhelming. So that's it. That's all I've got for today. I hope you have a beautiful day doing whatever it is you're doing. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you for watching my video, and goodbye.